Namaste students. Today we will learn new chapter chemical reactions and equations. What are chemical reactions? Chemical reactions are the processes in which new substances are formed with new properties. Now we will discuss about reactants and products. What are reactants? Reactants, the substances which take part in the chemical reaction are known as reactants, and products after reaction, the result of the chemical reaction is known as products. Let's take one example: magnesium and oxygen. They combine together and they form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. See, this is a chemical reaction. Magnesium and oxygen. These are reactants. And this is a result of this reaction, and this is known as products. Both are separated, both sides are separated, reactants and products, with arrow. Now, characteristics of chemical reactions. Characteristics are the important features which takes place as a result of chemical reaction. The important characteristics of chemical reactions are: number 1, evolution of gas. Number 2, change in state, change in temperature, change in color, and formation of precipitation. PPTs. Evolution of gas, change in state, change in temperature, change in color, and formation of PPTs. These are the important features of chemical reaction. Now students, chemical equation. Chemical equation is a method of representing chemical reaction in symbols and formulae. Let's take one example. Zinc plus sulfuric acid both combine and gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Now write in the form of symbols. Zn, symbol of zinc is Zn, plus sulfuric acid. Formula of sulfuric acid H2SO4. Both combines, they forms zinc sulfate ZnSO4. ZnSO4 is the formula of zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Yes, you can show it upward arrow. This is a chemical equation. This is reactants, zinc and sulfuric acids, and these are products. Now students, balanced chemical equations. A balanced chemical equation has an equal number of atoms of different elements in the reactants and products. Let's take one example. Zinc plus sulfuric acid, H2SO4. They combine and they form zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. See, is this balanced or not balanced? This is zinc. In reactants, zinc is 1 and in products, zinc is 1. Hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 2. Sulfur 1 and sulfur 1 in products. Now oxygen 4 and in products oxygen 4. It means this is a balance equation. Now in balance equation, masses of the elements are equal in both sides, in reactants as well as in products. Now student, we will take one more example how to balance this equation. Iron plus water, they combine, they form iron oxide and hydrogen. Start, balance this equation. Write reactants. Iron, number of elements of iron is equal to 1. Now non-metal other than hydrogen and oxygen, no. Now hydrogen 2. Oxygen, number of atoms 1. In products, iron 3, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 4. This is not balance equation. To balance it, iron, first of all metal. Iron is a metal, here 1, here 3, balance it. Put 3 before iron. So now iron is balanced. Now we will balance the hydrogen. 2, here hydrogen 2, already balanced. Now come on oxygen. Oxygen 1, but oxygen 4. So how we will form? We will get oxygen 4 by putting 4. So oxygen 4, but we have to go back, one step back, up. Check the hydrogen again. 4 2s are 8. Now it becomes 8. And hydrogen here 2. How we can make it 8? Put the 4. This digit and this they can multiply. Now 8. See, both sides are equal. Now it becomes balance equation.